Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2022 Acura MDX Type S. This one-owner, accident-free, all-wheel drive SUV is powered by a turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission capable of getting you only 11 to 13 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, cloth floor mats, a 12-volt power outlet, as well as a rubberized cargo mat. You also have a third row of seats, which are currently flipped down. Not only that, but you also have a powered liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have driver and passenger seat memory, a premium sound system, as well as power adjustable mirrors and windows. You have a liftgate release, heads-up display, your 360 camera, and parking sensors. On your heated steering wheel is your hands-free audio, display controls, and adaptive cruise control, as well as lane keeping assist. You also have these nice paddle shifters. This vehicle is currently sitting at only 7,472 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Your dual zone automatic climate controls, heated and cooled front seats, drive mode select, auto start stop, gear select, power ports, as well as infotainment options and wireless phone charging. You have this nice red interior, which is leather, and both front seats are power adjustable. Moving to the back of the interior, you have a great view of the panoramic sun moonroof, pockets in the back of both front seats, automatic climate controls, as well as heated middle row seats. You have your power ports, as well as 40-20-40 split folding middle row seats, and the middle seat turns into a cup holder and armrest. If you would like to see this 2022 Acura MDX Type S in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.